Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2024 Ford F150 Raptor. This casting is the Bburago, and it looks like, well, I haven't opened it yet, but looks to be a nice color, at least the way it looks. I'm not sure, I haven't seen it yet. So how does it look or what scale it is? I'm assuming it should be somewhere close to 164. Packaging looks nice. You can see it's packaged like this with a plastic shell inside so that it doesn't get scratched up. So let me open this up, take the casting out, and I will be back. So here is a quick look of the 2024 Ford F150 Raptor. This casting is by Bburago and is 1:64 scale. By the looks of it, it looks nice to have some good details. So let's deep dive into it and see what all the details are. So here's the Raptor, and I think it's more like a premium Bburago, I would say. It's not like the standard race and play, so it looks nice. There's some stuck on the wheel. Let's take it off. Okay, first of all, the paint, it looks nice. I like the color. Now let's move to the front. So in the front, you've got some nice details. You got the new look headlamp, and it's not just painted. There's like the plastic or acrylic material they have used. Gives it more depth perception. Looks good. A grille, it's painted black. I would have loved if there was some texture to it. Just even with the paint, if there was like texture paint on it, would have made it look more believable, I would say. You got a big Ford logo up front, written, not the logo. Lower bumper, obviously it's different for Raptor than other F150s, so you've got that with some skid plates. Looks good. Also got marker lamps, you can see on the front. Good to have both the mirrors and windshield wiper. Again, those are nice details. Going back to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, you can see those massive wheels with some suspension, I would say. And those, like the wheel design, I'm not sure if actual Raptor comes with the same wheel design. I think it's different. But they're alright. And the wheels are plastic, the tires are rubber. So they're not that bad. You also get the side step on the side. Mostly blacked out V-pillar, door handles which are painted body color, fuel filler, and a tail lamp which is painted without any major design into it. So I don't know if it's mid-grade, might be something like Silver Series, I'm not sure, because I've got some Bburagos which are like really nicely detailed. This is like mid-tire. So on the rear, on the tailgate, you've got this Ford written there, and I think this black trim piece. Number plate also gets a Ford logo. You've got twin exhaust, plastic bumpers. Bed is body color, so no black finish. You got a stop lamp there. I'm not sure if Raptor has like a fixed glass. It might have a smaller window in it, so the Bburago might have missed that intentionally, I guess. Or maybe, I'm not sure. Passenger side looks almost identical. The only difference, no fuel filler here. And this is how it looks from the top. I like this black trim finish around the window. And you got some roof beads. This black trim piece, I think it's because it's got a bigger engine, maybe. This is how the base looks. It's plastic, has got some details onto it, and you can see it says 164. Overall, I think it looks nice, and even the mirror has some like silver finish to it, if you look, to make it look reflective. Interior is finished in black. You can see some details there. Can't figure out a lot. So overall, well, it's a nice casting, but I won't say it's a premium casting because it's not. Doesn't seem to have details of a premium, but I think it's comparable to Silver Series, I'd say, with some details better than it. Some, like the front is nicely detailed, rear definitely. Tail lamp has no major details, just the painted ones, and the wheels, though they're alright, can use some more details, I would say. Apart from that, I think it's a good casting. It's got good paint on it, good details on it, and if you can find one, go for it. I think you will like it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.